Perhaps there's nothing more Cuban than Cuban cigars. Prized across the world, these cigars are hard to come by, but high in demand. In today's video, we're going to be visiting a tobacco farm, where we learn how they produce these guilty pleasures. We visited this location as part of a guided tour via horse. To get a sense of everything you can experience on this tour, take a moment to watch that video as well. But for now, let's dig deeper into the world of Cuban cigars by visiting a place which makes them.
Over there we plant, around 35,000 plants.
Wow.
More or less. And all of them manually, okay? No machines. But what happens, you are lucky because you will see tobacco in Cuba only during this period of the year.
Oh,
why?
wow.
Because we plant tobacco only during winter season, okay? We are in winter like in your countries, okay? But what happened? We don't have some winter like you, for sure, okay? As you can see, our mountains are full of snow. Yeah?
Yes, I can see.
For example, why we have to plant tobacco only during this season? Because it's the drier season. Okay? If we do it in summer, it's raining a lot, okay? And the quality in the plants will be very low. For the reason, normally we start to plant tobacco between November to December, okay? But after we do it, they grow really fast. Only in 3 months, they will take around 1 meter 50 centimeters, more or less like you.
After the plants have been picked, they are brought to this barn to dry and ferment for 3.5 to 4 months. These plants require shade in order to dry, one reason you won't see them hanging outside. You see, the sun dries them too fast, oftentimes burning the leaves and skewing the flavor. Did you know that Cuba exports cigars all over the world except one country? Any guesses where that is? If you picked United States, you're right. Tobacco farmers in Cuba belong to a cooperative within the Cuban government. This means the farmers must sell 90% of their product to the government at a predetermined price based on the quantity of materials sold. The farmers are only allowed to keep or sell privately 10% of their plants, significantly reducing the amount of money they could be making. Cuban farmers don't grow plants for a specific brand. Instead, the leaves are grown and sold to the government, who then divide the plants based on quality, allowing them to produce different brands of cigars from the same crop.
You don't smoke?
No, I don't smoke.
Nothing?
No.
Never in your life?
I did before,
Ah, yeah.
but Canada is expensive for
Yeah?
tobacco, yeah.
But what happened? Here, before we start to smoke cigars, we put some honey.
Wow.
Why? Because honey protects the lips, okay?
Okay.
For the taste, it's much better. And we will use honey as a natural filter also,
I was gonna say, I guess they don't have filters like cigarettes and.
okay? Honey? Put in your mouth,
Okay.
puff. Like this,
Oh,
blow.
see, I'm missing the best parts.
Oh! Take a seat, close to me.
That's in the sun.
Okay, and inside we will mix honey, vanilla, water, and rum. After, for example, do you know what is palm tree?
Yes.
We take the bark, we prepare big packages, okay, and inside we will keep the leaf, around 50 kilos of leaf in each package, okay. When they're full, we close them and we will wait more or less between 6 months to 1 year of fermentation, okay? And after that is when the leaves are like this. You can touch it. But what happened? Why these cigars are not strong also? Because you see the vein? We remove the vein, okay? Because after we ferment the leaf, more or less around 95% of the nicotine it's in the vein. We don't use it for rolling our cigars, but in factories they keep it. For example, right now I will use the same leaf, okay, because it's only for demonstration. But one cigar is divided in 3 different parts: strong leaf, medium leaf, and light leaf. Okay, but they have different names. The strongest leaf, we call it filler. Filler, okay, the top leaf. This one we call it binder, the center. And from the wrapper we take the lighter, the leaf from the bottom. Okay, I will cut here, then here.
Je moet even filmen, joh.
Like this. And
Te laat.
I start to roll it.
Okay.
And then I will do like a massage. When they have the cigar like this, they use a press machine, okay? But we don't have a machine here. Instead of this, I will use only this piece of paper, okay? Why? Because this paper will bring a better shape, okay? And we dry the leaf more. Because like this, I have to leave it more or less during 1 hour in the paper, okay? And then I will prepare the last leaf. This one has to be the most beautiful, okay? It's different than the others. I have to stretch it. This leaf has to be similar, like a women dress for a party. Because it's for the view. Like this. Now I have to stretch. And at the end, I will use some honey as a glue.
Okay.
But in the factories, they use maple syrup, and it's imported. It's imported from
Canada.
Canada. That's it.
Interested in learning more about our journey through Cuba? Take this time to subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website for additional written information at joshuatravelguy.ca. Are you looking for something a little more hands-on? Why not join us for an excursion through Cuba for a truly authentic experience? Learn about these trips and more on our website. Why not share the love? If you enjoyed this video, do us a favor and share it with a friend, because together we can share the world.